Thomas.
Sorry, cows. Why we gotta hurry? Rusty rail spikes. I have the hit.
Percy.
Maybe I could just rest here. Two! Oh, two flush.
Kenna.
It's Connor! Does she see us? Oh, phew! I've been practicing all day.
Nia.
I love it. Hey, sheep, listen.
Thistle.
What's wrong, Diesel?
What's wrong is you're winning until now.
Nice try.
New rule.
Carly.
Oh, hey, Carly. How are you?
Why do you have all this stuff?
It's all very important stuff.
You're not using it, but you can take it to whiffs, so someone else can reuse or recycle it.
Sandy.
Whoa! This is also our funnest creation yet. This is more like playing in the sand than working.
Edward.
Where'd all this traffic come from?
Henry.
And it was time for a party anyways. The laughing and fun and decorations, oh, they give me a crane.
Gordon.
Well, this is a fine how do you do.
Hi, Gordon. Everything okay?
No, Thomas and I are delivering ties to the bottom of the mine, but my headlight just burned out.
Hero.
You will learn to be still. You will learn to go fast. You will learn to.
Emily.
Looks good. That tie looks good. Oh. I must tell Sandy and Carly that this one needs to be replaced.
Emily!
Young Bao.
Roar!
Hey everyone! I'm so happy to be back with you all in Sodor. And I brought a surprise for the fireworks show tonight. All the way from China.
Ashima.
Wow, this place looks colorful. But where are all my friends?
Welcome, Ashima!
Oh, hi! What's all the...
Federico.
I'm not sure who won, but I know who lost. I shouldn't have acted that way, and because of that, we should lose. If that's okay, Diesel.
Verona.
And Verona's out of the game!
No, I'm not. I didn't get hit. Oh, you're right. I am out of the game. I just don't like losing.
Jif.
Wow, that's flytastic!
Riff.
I'm afraid you won't be playing in the next round of games.
It's okay, Kana. We had a great practice race together. Oh?